boys, I have some bad news, but also I have some good news. You're just gonna have to wait till the end of the video because we got a lot in store for today.
Smoking up a J, think I fall into your maze.
Alright boys, so it's the day after Christmas and my dad's in town and we're still waiting on parts for the C8. Like you guys already know, these frame rails, I don't know man, we're working it out. You know, I'm doing my best trying to figure them out. But we already know Chevy, they're kind of shafting me, I'm not gonna lie, but it is what it is. And you know, the content must go on. And my dad's in town, he doesn't live around here. He's down for Christmas and he's never been in the HELLCAT. So we're gonna give him a ride in the HELLCAT, which is kind of crazy because I've had the HELLCAT for like a year now and he's never been in it, which is, I don't know, I guess he doesn't come down that often, but he's seen it, he watches all the videos and whatnot, so I'm gonna mess with him a little bit. Them red rims though, what do you guys think? Red rims or green rims? Which ones do you like more? I want to film more of my family members just because, you know, one day, you know, my family members aren't gonna be around and I get to look back at videos like this and be like, yeah, that was funny, or I get to see them. Like, I don't know, you gotta capture these moments while you got them. You never know, we might not have another Christmas. This car is running extra spicy right now. He's in the shot, I already know. He's gonna be like, Judah, chill. It's gonna be funny. Really? Yeah, shy.
How's this thing running?
Pretty good. You've never been in this thing, right?
I've never been in it. No, man.
I've had it for a year and you've never been in it.
I know. It was down. Oh, you never say you never. Shit. Holy shit, dude. Holy shit, man. Keep that thing in a straight line, yo. That thing could have spun around on us pretty easy with these hard tires. Yeah. I can feel the tires are hard. They're not soft. Now, of course, you'd burn too. If they're soft, okay, don't ever hit it. Don't ever hit it in the corner, man. You'll spin. There goes my phone. Jesus. It's a good tune.
Yeah.
I can hear it pop up.
Yeah, you
burbling.
can hear backfire.
Holy shit. Crazy shit. Fuck, I lost my goddamn phone. I'll get it. It's underneath the seat. It came out of my pocket.
It's running good right now.
That's all cold. Yeah, it's nice and cold. A lot of jam. This thing got some snap. Seriously.
It's funny you've never been in it.
I haven't. No, this is it. I'll have to get a video if I could ever find my phone. What's it, like 50 out?
Yeah, it's 55.
57 it says. I see it. Oh my word.
It feels a lot crazier than it really is. It's like,
it feels pretty crazy. Yeah. I've been in a lot of cars. That's a lot of horsepower, man. When you spin the tires like on point, just hitting the gas, you know it's. Yeah. How many horsepower is this? Probably running 800?
800.
Holy shit. 14. Wow. So, whoa, Judah, easy. Can you get in trouble? Like, if they saw you do it, like going 135, if they could tell where you were at?
No,
can they come give you a ticket?
No, you can't get a ticket. We only were going 30.
Shit. Holy shit. That thing winds up.
Yeah, it does.
That's scary.
Yeah,
my adrenaline's like pumping right now. I'm like, frickin', I gotta get out and like, I'm shaking.
You gotta dig down in there, Dad.
Dude, I'm digging. It's in nowhere. Find it for me. It doesn't fit out of my pocket. I felt it. It was in my pocket.
So we're rolling out, my boys just hit me up and apparently we're going drifting today. So they called me and said the squad's going out and I just hit up Matthews. We're about to pick him up. I don't know what we're gonna get into today. I know it's about to get pretty wild, that's all I do know. Let's go! God, kid.
Yo, little guy, big G, you know the vibes?
About damn time.
Baby, we own auto
Matthews always rolls up last. He's never first.
Hey, always.
If you're not first, you're last, though.
Yeah, shit. I'm always last.
I think that thing's got a misfire.
Oh, man.
Yeah, it's chopping. You should get that checked out.
You said you want to check me out?
It's not what I said. Not what I said.
Bro, you think I'm about to be sober for this shit?
Goddamn
You got me f***ed up.
Let's roll.
Hey, where's your drink at?
So we're trying to drift, and this guy is the security, so I'm gonna see if we can. Hey, you mind if we drift around here? Have some fun?
I don't care, so long as you have your hot rod, that's fine by me.
Yeah, we're gonna like slide the cars and stuff.
Okay, go ahead.
That's cool?
Yeah, just be careful.
Alright.
Hell yeah.
Alright, man.
We just wanted to
Appreciate it.
make sure.
What's your name?
Dominic,
Thanks, Dominic. You're the man.
no problem.
Have a good one.
I guess, you know, Dominic said it's alright. You know what they say? Ask and you shall receive. All my friends are like sketched right now because of him. Hey, Dominic said it's cool. It's like he didn't say it's cool.
Glad you're writing plates now.
I don't know. He's probably playing Scrabble. That was solid. Solid.
10.
10 out of 10?
10.
He was so close. He was so close. Did your nuts clench up a little bit when you got by your car?
Nah, even if
No, you trust him?
I'm not worried about it.
Matthew's armed and dangerous right now.
Today.
Got the T on him. You gonna slide this thing? Show us how it's done.
I don't know, man. That
your
stock
sense?
angle is ridiculous.
My heart's racing crazy. Clean, baby.
Damn, son. You got any last words for me?
What's the YouTube password? Ain't no stock motor.
I'm strapped in, baby. What's the worst gonna happen?
Let's not talk about it.
Oh my God. That was intense, I'm not gonna lie. I'm not used to it. I need to get myself a drift car.
Yo, listen, boys. Listen, boys. Oof, that snap, crackle, pop, baby, and then.
Twisted Tea, sponsor Matthews.
That's crazy.
That
Shit was crazy.
That was sick. That was sick. I agree. I wasn't
They
expecting
need to
that.
run it again. I didn't know they were running
Yeah,
tandem.
I just got a sick video.
What would be insane if you like somehow like strapped like a lawn chair to the top and you're sitting on the top of the car?
All right, we're gonna do that for you.
I'll do it. I don't
Put
care.
you at the top. Matthew's convinced me to slide my Hellcat, so that's what we're gonna do now.
If we f up, we'll fix it, right? Come on.
Now, what's the worst that can happen? It's already been wrecked once.
Any last words?
You know, I don't have any words to be honest. I don't even know what I'm doing, but we're gonna see what happens.
Yo, hit it. Yo!
I don't even know what just happened.
that wasn't supposed to happen. That was not supposed to happen, but it doesn't drift.
Dude, that was sick. Bro, you almost had it. You just gave it a little too much sauce right there.
You came in there hot. My heart's pounding. I'm fucking.
Yo, we were like looking at the semi like, oh, shit.
Hey, when your friends say you got it, you know that there's a chance that you don't have it, but your friends are always gonna say,
You got it.
yeah, bro.
Positive
Hands of God.
Yeah, dude.
Jesus, help me. Jesus, take the wheel.
Jesus, take the wheel. Take it from my
Bro, just feel out the car. Don't just like do random shit, bro. Feel the car. You are the vehicle, Judah.
One with the car.
You are the HELLCAT.
Hey, I don't know what I'm doing, but I was going for it.
Yo, that was all planned.
I don't even, why is it rolling? How's the tires looking?
Good.
They're
not even
They're so hard, bro. Those tires are like dry rotted.
Yeah, this is perfect
yeah.
for it.
All right, we're good. I paid 20 bucks for these tires, so I can't really bitch. All right, coming in hot, boys. Judah Drifts. I changed my name. When this video is posting, I'm changing my Instagram name, Judah Drifts. Never stop me though. So I don't got nothing to do, so I figured I'd pick up my little sister from the bus stop in the Rec C8. But there's no seats, so she's gonna have to sit on my lap, so I thought it'd be funny. Maybe she'll drive it or something. It feels good to be driving this thing. It'd feel better if it had a front end. But, you know, good things take time, so there's a way. I just gotta find the way. Put it in M mode for
Mom mode.
not mom mode. This is like pull your mom's panties off mode. Oh! Yo, that shit pulls hard, bro.
That was insane.
Yo, we don't need a front end to have fun around here, okay? I don't even know where we're gonna fit her. I'm gonna have to squeeze her in here. I figured I'd pick you up. Come on, we don't got all day. Time is money, Maya. You get to drive the C8.
No.
It's a 3-seater. All right, start it. Hit it.
Ow. Whoa.
All right, now ready to watch.
Have you driven a car before?
Of course not. I'm 13.
All right, go. Come on. Oh! Oh! Almost took out the mailbox. Maya, you're in like a exotic right now. Oh, we got someone behind us. You gotta go. Grab the wheel, kid. God, don't punch it. You're driving. You're not racing. Come on, turn. You're gonna go in the freaking grass. Give it some juice. Steer straight. Give it some juice.
Shift.
Give it some juice. Hit it. All right, stop. No more juice. No more juice.
Let go
no more
of the
juice.
gas. Let go of the gas.
All right, you can turn. Oh wait, we're not even in sports mode. What are you doing? That's a must. All right, we're gonna downshift. You're gonna hit the gas. Hit the gas.
On the turn.
Punch it. Give it a little bit. Not a lot.
No, not
just
on the
give it a little
turn.
bit of gas. Like not fast though. All right. Have a good day. Do your freaking homework.
I will.
She's got like bad grades.
This man said do your
Maya, if you don't get good grades, you're never getting your driver's license. It says add washer fluid. You think that's a big deal? I don't know. I think we'll be fine. You think? Is that important?
Yeah, if you're gonna be driving this thing, you need some washer fluid.
Yeah,
blinker fluid.
Probably need blinker fluid too. Alright boys, so I hope you enjoyed the drifting. If you want more of that, let me know. But here is the bad news and here's the good news. And I'm gonna be honest, there's more bad than there is good. But the good news is, check this out. I got the bike, of course, and we got mods coming for this soon. I'll give you a little sneak peek. Boom. But also we got the door finally came in and I had that painted. As you can see, that's color matched. Then also we got the rocker out here. The rocker's brand new. As you guys remember, this one was messed up right here. So we had to get a whole new rocker just because this was messed up right here from, you know, rod hitting the pole. But, you know, it is what it is. So that is the good news. We got those parts finally. But the bad news is pretty major. So these frame rails, as you guys know, I've been trying to get them non-stop, and I had a couple leads. I had a shop that told me they were going to be able to get them for me, and then last second they told me they couldn't get them for me, and I think I already told you guys that. But the bad news about that is I had a C8 that they were telling me they were going to part out. I've been talking to the guy for about 2 weeks now. They were going to pull the frame rails out of it because it was a rear end collision, and they just told me that they're not parting it out anymore. I don't know. I think they're going to rebuild it or something. I have no idea. That was a major setback. So now I'm trying to find a shop that is willing to just do the framework on the car. But see, the thing is, all the shops that have the certification, there's only 1,000 shops in the whole United States that have the certification that can get these parts. They want to do the whole front end. They can't just do the frame rails because they said that's a liability. That's where we're at. That's the bad news. If you guys have any leads or any shops that you know that has this certification, literally there's only 1,000 shops in the whole United States that can do it. You know, hopefully one of those shops will either sell me the frame rails or one of those shops will just do the framework for me. So that's what the holdup is right now, and it sucks. There's no way I could have prepared for this. Before I bought this car, I even went to the dealership and asked them if I was gonna have trouble getting these frame rails, and they said no, it'd be no problem. I just have to submit the VIN and stuff to Chevy, and they're gonna send them to me, and obviously that turned out to not be the case. So I'm doing what I can, working as fast as I can, and you know, if you guys got any leads for me or anything, you know, let me know. But that's the bad news, and no, it's gonna get fixed. It's just a matter of time and a matter of getting these frame rails. So that's where we're at. So let me know what you think in the comments. If you know anyone that can get them for me, or you know anyone that can help me, I'd appreciate it a lot. So thanks for watching. I appreciate y'all, and I'll catch you next time. Peace.